Body found in tarpaulin identified as pregnant teen mom from Mountain View. Hi again and welcome. This is Links007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links007 TV News Report. The police in St. Mary have identified the body of a pregnant female found wrapped in a blue tarpaulin near Devon Penn Main Road in the parish on Sunday. The deceased has been confirmed to be a 16-year-old, Jadene Gayle, also known as Big Red, who reside in Sligo Road, Mountain View Avenue, Kingston. Her mother confirmed her identity after viewing a photograph of her body. The police detained Gayle's boyfriend for questioning in connection with her death. He was apprehended during an operation on Tuesday afternoon at his residence on Sligo Road. On Monday, law enforcement officers appealed to the public for assistance in identifying the body, pointing to notable tattoos including the inscription JVSC and Labib, as well as a cross on her chest. At the time of the discovery, the body was dressed in a t-shirt, blue underwear and black socks. Disturbing videos circulated on social media show residents retrieving the body from the precipice wrapped in the tarpaulin. Investigators revealed that the body bore multiple marks of violence, including evidence of strangulation, abrasion, and bloodstain on the clothing used to wrap the remains. Authorities are continuing their investigation into the circumstances surrounding Gayle's death. Links007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast.